Hello race fans and welcome to the Retread 400. I am Bob Cullis and here with my good friend Daryl Karchip. Well Bob, this is gonna be the great race of the day. Sure is, Daryl.
Alright McQueen, you sure you got this? Oh yeah, I am ready. I am speed. Attention racers, please go to the starting line. See you, McLoser! Hey! 400 laps as the pace car, Charlie Checker, exits out. Boogity boogity boogity! Let's go racing! McQueen speeding up to a good start. Holy cow! It's Chick for the lead now! What an upset! Now McQueen's back in the lead! 125 laps. Oh! Beat that! Huh? Go, Queen! Go! What? Oh no, Rex coming through! Oh no, it's a crash! Oh no. Can McQueen make it to the crash? He makes it through! Everyone is now going to the pits for a restart. McLoser, you're so lucky that you get to make through the crash. What, Chick? I got the skills. Everyone's now ready for the restart. Boogity boogity boogie! Let's do the restart! Five laps to go, and Ryan McQueen is still in the lead. And Ryan McQueen missed the hit. And he missed again!
We have one lap to go, and what is Chick Hicks gonna do?
Axe was trying to catch up. We're almost at the checkered flag, and who is gonna be? It's Lightning McQueen for the win! Yeah! Ka-chow! Wow, folks, what a great day for the race. Lightning McQueen has won. I know, Daryl. We'll tune in next time for the next race. Goodbye, everyone.